Hey, it's Suffering Student here, and today I'm gonna showcase a project I've been working on, which I will just showcase right away, which is a very basic application where I try to create some kind of program which illustrates the genre of a lot of games nowadays doing like auto battle, where I just simply create two squares, which are gonna be my fighters, kinda, and I have a health bar, and then I am able to fight them. And as you can see, they fight each other. And I set up animations based on JavaFX animation, so it's based off the position, which allows me, if I just stop it and open the scene builder, and I'll resize, there we go. I am able to move these squares around on the screen because they are like objects. And I can move them and I can save, and now when I run the program again, I'm still able to have them fight because they're set up based off their position as an object in the screen. As you can see, we have a health bar, and whenever we hit like 0 health, they stop fighting, and I can also heal them to full, start the fight again, and stop it if I want. And what also I think is quite interesting, it's kind of like to prototyping, seeing what feels good or what's different, is I'm able to change the time between fights, and I'm able to change the attack time, and based on the attack time, the basic setup. So right now there's 250 milliseconds between each attack. I could, for example, set it to like 1000 milliseconds, which is a second, just to get the feel of it. But it is definitely a bit slower, and I don't know if this is ever gonna be anything, but I just thought it was quite an interesting project I've been working on, and I could definitely continue working and making add-ins and stats, having, I don't know if it's ever gonna be a big game, but I just thought the concept was quite nice of this auto battle system. And as you can see, this might be a bit slow. So the prototyping is where it's definitely very, very useful. So having variables where my attack time is a variable used quite a few places. And therefore everything's set up based on this one number. I'm able to just change this one, and I can right away see the change in my game, or whatever you want to call it. And similarly, I'm able to change my player character, kinda, where I have the box, which is the square on the scene. Then I have a health amount, and I have a damage, and in this case also give it the health bar, which is this one, where I'll just show the health as a percentage of the max health. For example, let's change the player to have like 1000 health, so it's like way stronger. And deal maybe 50 damage. I don't know if that's gonna be fun, but let's just demonstrate how this very powerful player where you can just like smash him. And I set it up in a way where you have like one attack, one attack, one attack, one attack, no matter what. So you need to like have the attack cycle finished before the game stops running. And when they're done fighting, I'm also able to fully heal them. But that's the gist of it. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I would love to have any ideas, whatever I could do to this, in the comment section, or let me know if you want to see more about like the code or whatever. Anything else. So I just wish you all a wonderful day.